spider web. Yo, what the fuck? Yo, I got a whole spider nest going on, bro.
Spider nest, Papa, you have the whole fucking vegetation. The whole army of fucking birds done shitted on the whole Nismo. Like,
damn, you didn't even wash it for me, bro.
I'm about to strap a Nagasaki fucking 90mm ass turbo to this goddamn
shit box. Literal shit box.
That's crazy, bro. This is gonna be one hell of a makeover, bro.
Alright, so we got the boy Danny Fab. He's helping me out on the car right now. We have everything for the turbo kit, literally everything. Well, only thing we're missing are headers, DE headers for this car, because that's what it runs with. We don't have that, but I think we're about to pop some right now. We took off the front bumper. This is not the original Nismo bumper. This is the KBD one. This thing weighs so much. It is insane. Quick sneak peek. We're just mocking it up a little bit. We still got to take all of this out. We're just kind of mocking it up. Make sure, see how it's going to align. So as you can see, there's no clamps or nothing on it. So we're just mocking it up. Yeah. So far, so good.
He said, what's the word? Yeah. I said, wow. That shit looking hard, boy. Pablo, fuck it, then run one out the Nismo bumper for now, bro.
No, I'm not gonna put the Nismo bumper on.
Yeah, bro.
Like that.
Okay, slap the but it's ready.
It's right there.
Comp, baby, he's going in the bar. What size? That's a 6.
96, 90.
No, no, smaller, nigga. No, that's a big ass turbo. Bro? Bro, it's just capable of, I think it's, what was it rated for? 1300?
Yeah.
Whose turbo is that? That's yours? That's his turbo. You bought it?
Yeah.
From where?
Online?
Brand new.
Brand new? Abused and abused. Alright, so now we are measuring the crossover. We are missing the DE headers, but Danny Fab is gonna try to make it work because he is the real OG here. We got the boy Yismo. Oh my god, Yismo, the car's not clean. No way.
What do you mean not clean?
Nah, look at this, bro.
Like 3 days ago.
Nah, look at that, bro. Yo, Yismo. This is our first time.
Usually, man, here with the toothbrush.
Yeah.
Oh, then you need to respect the age. Oh, you're gonna be the one building 7 PSI. No, you are gonna be the 80 PSI I'm gonna put in your eye.
Alright, perfect. So here's the thing. We do not have the what's it called? The DE headers. We have the HR/VHR headers, and the turbo kit was made with the DE headers. So he is cutting out the flanges right now, and we're taking out the ones from the test pipes, this flange, and he's gonna take it and weld it to the kit. That way we can make it work.
No way.
Hey, hey.
I thought you would do this shit by 2025, man. No, fuck you, man, bro.
Hey.
No, fuck.
You ready to rag on it when it's done? Ah, yes, sir. So you change the flange, so he's gonna weld that to the VHR flange. The headers of the VHR HR are also a little bit better because the DE ones are really narrow. We were just test fitting the turbo right now. So this is where it's gonna mount up to right here, right in this little section right here. Yeah, so far so good. Just gotta keep at it. So the boy Danny got the flanges on. Look at those welds, baby. Nice and colorful. Nice. Yeah, no. Where you put the bolts? Danny put some gasket maker on it. Put some gaskets. Tightening it up right now. He was able to make it happen because we did not have those headers, man. It clears perfectly. Look at that. Alright, so we got the turbo on. Very yeah. Very nice. It's all mocking. We still I gotta put the turbo guard on it and stuff like that. Right now we're gonna look at the wastegate because there was an 18-pound spring on this turbo kit before, and 18 pounds will literally blow my motor right now. So we gotta double check everything. We're gonna check the spring rate and all of that. We put the turbo guard on this actually. There's a nice little update. Got the 2 wastegates on. Gotta do a little bit of some banging going on over there by your boy Danny. Has some banging to be done so it could fit properly. It's okay though. But yeah, we're still mocking it up. Still got that manifold to put on. Vacuum lines, oil cooler, debating if I should put it on or not. Do a little test. I know it looks a little funny right now, but I'll test it out real quick. Here though. Yeah, you could turn it.
Huh? Oh, what? Bro. Look at me starting, nigga. How many cars you blow, nigga?
Alright, go ahead.
Ready?
Yeah. So the car started misfiring yesterday a little bit. We swapped the coils, but we got new ones. And we are running, we're also going to change the spark plugs. So I can show you guys. We're going to run these spark plugs, the brisk ones. If you ever do nitrous and stuff like that, I really recommend to run these. That way it doesn't heat up your spark plugs. We're going to run that. And we're also going to run a fuel pump. Well, I'll show you guys later because it's kind of in a box right now. They just keep fighting. All right, so they're helping me out. Taking out the spark plugs. These are the old ones. It's freaking hot as hell. That's from the coil, like little green shit. Or coolant. Who the fuck cares? Yeah, these are the first ones I had put on them. I remember when I put these on. These are gonna be a new one. And there we go. The brisk racing. Right here.
These niggas spark plugs are good to keep us.
God damn.
What's spark tighter than mine.
That thing is tight, boy.
Yo, why you touching my butt, nigga? Yo, when I'm touching your butt, nigga. Baba, look at that picture, nigga. Bro. Can I fuck him up, please? Like one day. I'll send him to the hospital for one day.
Car right now is actually sounding a little bit funny. I have to do some adjustments. Alright guys, so we got the car in the lift. Everything's done on the car. We're just waiting for a tune and all of that good stuff. Right now it's running on a base map, safe map basically by Martin. But we gotta wait. He doesn't want to tune it remotely. He wants to tune it in person because of the 1200cc injectors. So he'd rather do it in person. But right now I'm getting this weird knocking noise on the turbo kit because the exhaust actually does not fit like flush. The flange of it does not fit flush to the turbo kit. So we're gonna check it out right now. We're gonna see if maybe we could do something to make it work because it is shaking way too much. Shaking isn't good in a turbo kit. So basically right here, I actually have a pretty big leak right on top of here, but this is where all the vibration is being caused. Right here, every time I hit something, the whole turbo kit just decides to go crazy and start hitting things. So we're gonna go just take a look at it and see what we could do to prevent all the smacking and dog ragging and all that good stuff. Right, Danny? Yeah. Alright guys, so the exhaust became too much of a pain, really. So So we're just gonna do like a little dump for now. This is just temporary. It's gonna sound really loud and not how I want it to sound, but just temporary. We're gonna do like a little dump. Yeah, because it was just gonna get too complicated and stuff, and we'll have to do a lot of Pepito shit. So we're just gonna do that for now. This is really funny.
That's what you want.
No, that's not what I want. That's what we're gonna do because
That's what you want. Like before, I don't know, whatever time you told me that. So
that's what we're gonna do.
no, eso es lo que vamos a hacer por largo tiempo.
Put right here, Danny Fab, right here.
Hell no.
Here we got Danny trying to get that thing aligned perfectly. Looks like a little chimney. Alright, here we go. All my friends have hood exits on their Z's. I'm the only one with a down exit. Under engine exit. I don't even know what the hell we call it. Open dump exit.
Yeah, dump. It's like a dump.
It's just a dump. It's gonna be super loud for sure. But it's vibrating a lot, so. It doesn't sound that bad. It really does not sound that bad. Now we're gonna lift it up and make sure it's not hitting anything and stuff like that. I thought it was gonna be way more obnoxious. Yeah. That's crazy. Just a little thing that made a big difference. So it's not that bad. You guys probably can barely hear me. But yeah, let's bring it down. I'm a driver. Damn, it sounds crazy. I think we're gonna stick with it like that. I'm actually pretty happy with it. It sounds way better than what I thought. Oh my god. Yo, it sounds good. What do you think? Pretty good, huh? Yeah, I just got the little rev limiter. That shit sounds good though. I just need a full tune. Daddy!
I can't wait. That's
Daddy! Why are you looking away? Sounds pretty good. I can't pass 3K. Yeah, it sounds pretty good. The crossover is not banging like before. Yeah, it's way better. It's not doing all that noise it was making earlier. Yeah, it's way better. Because before, it was making a whole bunch of noise here because the turbo was kind of hitting against like one of the arms and stuff like that. And the exhaust was just smacking everywhere and stuff. So we're good on that. Huh? You are the man. You are the man. When it's gonna be mad loud, huh? Yeah, that guy right there's a freaking legend right there. All right, let's go work. Let's go work.
Yes, sir.
Look at this guy. What a clown. What a clown. What a clown. That's the jefe.